Hi friends, already in last video one sum I can explain in lines and angles. The concept is parallel lines and transversal line. Same like that, and the sum now I can explain. Here, here angle is x, this is 5x, 2y, this angle is 2x plus 5. Then what is the value of x and y? Then what is the value of x and y? These two values now we can find. Simply once observe here D and E are is a parallel lines. Okay, and we can take B is the transversal line. We can don't assume remaining lines. Just D is parallel to E. D and E are parallel lines. This is a transversal line we can take, and B is a transversal line. Okay. Now these two angles are co-interior angles. These two are transversal line. This is these two are parallel line. This is a transversal line. Then these two angles are co-interior angles. We know sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. Already here given D is parallel to E. That is already given. These two lines are parallel. Then sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. That means 5x and 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 180 degrees because these two angles are corresponding angles. 5x plus 2x, 7x plus 5 is equals to 180. Then 7x is equals to 180 minus 5. Okay. After 7x is equals to 180 minus 5 is 175. Okay. Now then x is equals to 175 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 twos are 14. Remaining 3 5 35. 7 fives are 35. Then what is the value of x? X is equals to 25 degrees. X is equals to 25 degrees. Okay. And how to find y? Here one triangle is formed. We know the sum of three angles in a triangle. The sum of three angles in a triangle is, yes, 180 degrees. Then angle x plus 5x plus 2y is equals to 180 degrees because this is a triangle. We know sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That's why x plus 5x plus 2y is equals to 180. We can add these two. 6x plus 2y is equals to 180. That implies 6x plus 2y is equals to 180. Already we know x value 25. We can substitute. 6 into what is the value of x? 25. 6 into 25 plus 2y is equals to 180. That implies 6 into 25. Yes, 150 degrees plus 2y is equals to 180. Then 2y is equals to here plus 150 becomes minus 150. 2y is equals to 180 minus 150. Now we can subtract 2y is equals to 30 degrees. 180 minus 150, 30 degrees. Then y is equals to 30. Here into 2 becomes by 2. 2 ones are 2 15s. Then y is equals to 15 degrees. Okay. X is equals to 25 degrees. Y is equals to 15 degrees. Okay, now the next sum. Here PQ is parallel to ST is given. Okay, PQ is parallel to ST, and here angle PQR angle is also given 110 degrees, and angle TSR angle is also given, that is 130 degrees. Then we can find angle QRS. Angle QRS we can find. Okay, how to find? Just here I will draw one line. That line is parallel to PQ. That line is parallel to PQ. Okay. For example, this line is MN. Okay, just I will draw one line, that is N. Okay, this is M. This line is parallel to PQ. Already in sum is given PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST. I will draw another parallel line MN. Okay, that means this line is parallel to PQ and this line is parallel to ST also. Okay, just we can observe here PQ is parallel to MN and QR is a transversal line. These two angles are co-interior angles. We know sum of co-interior angles, like that we can do. Yes, PQ is parallel to MN and QR is a transversal line. QR is a transversal line. Okay, then these two angles are co-interior angles. That means angle PQR, PQR plus angle QRM is equals to 180 degrees. We know sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. That's why. Already angle PQR is given 110 degrees. 110 plus angle QRM is equals to 180. That implies angle QRM is equals to 180. Here plus 120 becomes minus 110. Okay, 110 becomes minus 110. Angle QRM is equals to, now we can subtract, yes, 70 degrees. This angle is 70 degrees. Okay, and now these two parallels we can take. ST is parallel to MN and we can take transversal line. Yes sir. ST is parallel to, yes, MN. ST is parallel to MN and SR is a transversal line. And SR is a transversal line. This is a transversal and these two angles are also co-interior angles. We know sum of if two lines are parallel means sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. Yes, that's why angle TSR plus and this angle name is SRN. Angle SRN is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Already TSR is there. TSR angle is 130 degrees. 130 plus angle SRN is equals to 180 degrees. Now we can find SRN. That implies angle SRN is equals to 180 minus 130. Angle SRN is equals to, we know 180 minus 130 is 50 degrees. Okay, angle QRM. Once see that QRM. This angle we know. This angle is 70 degrees. Okay, this angle is 70 degrees and SRN. SRN. This angle is also we know. This angle is 50 degrees. Now we can find QRS. How to find QRS? Yes. See this. Here the sum of three angles. The sum of three angles is formed a straight line. That means we can add these three angles equals to 180 degrees. Okay. This angle name is angle QRM plus angle QRS plus angle SRN is equals to 180 degrees. QRM we know QRM 70 degrees plus we don't know QRS, this angle QRS plus we know already SRN angle is 50. See this SRN 50 is equals to 180 degrees. Now we can add 70 plus 50, we know 110, 120 degrees plus angle QRS is equals to 180. That implies angle QRS is equals to, here plus 120 becomes minus 120. 180 minus 120. Okay. That implies QRS. Angle QRS is equals to 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. Finally, QRS. QRS, this angle is 60 degrees. Okay.